A woman that has become complacent with using her sexuality as a bargaining chip eventually realizes that she forgot to develop any other qualities and traits that a man would actually stick around for. Traits like femininity, intelligence, and supportiveness. Once all the layers of her personality have been stripped away, her sexuality is the only card she has left to deal, which leads her to lose all her leverage in the process. If you have dealt with a woman like this before, you'll notice that there's a certain degree of panicking and desperation you'll see in her around men and relationships, especially as she ages and realizes that no other valuable traits were instilled in her. And the crazy part is, this shouldn't even be a controversial point of view. Women have always known the power of their sexuality when it comes to men. I mean, there's a reason why prostitution is named the world's oldest profession. Before we ever had all these complicated social structures or developed layers to our personalities and relationships as a species, women learned to use sex as a tool and a currency to get what they wanted.